declaration of persona non grata is meant to humiliate you. But when you return to a crowd like this and with warmth and the sense of Ubuntu like this, then I will wear my persona non grata as a badge of dignity, a badge of our values, and a badge that we have done the right thing. Thank you very much. Amandla. Amandla.